Hello everyone. Unsuccessful people often let fear of failure dictate their actions, entering personal and professional growth. Here are some habits of unsuccessful people. Keep in mind to stay away from these habits. Failing to prioritize tasks and manage time effectively can lead to a chaotic and unproductive life. Unsuccessful individuals struggle with time management, resulting in missing deadlines and unfulfilled potential. Instead of taking responsibility for their actions, unsuccessful people often blame external factors or other individuals for their failures. Constant self doubt and negative thoughts can be detrimental. Unsuccessful people often engage in self sabotaging behaviors, undermining their confidence. Without clear goals, individuals may drift aimlessly without a sense of purpose. Unsuccessful people often fail to define specific, measurable objectives. In a rapidly changing world, the ability to adapt is crucial. Unsuccessful individuals resist change, clinging to outdated methods and refusing to embrace innovation. Instead of viewing failures as a stepping stone to success, unsuccessful individuals let fear paralyze them. They avoid challenges and remain within their comfort zones, limiting their personal and professional growth. Unsuccessful people often delay important tasks, leading to missed opportunities and increased stress. They prioritize short term comfort over long term success. Thank you for being with us.